Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are good. Tentland Fall is a gorgeous waterfall located in Sarapunji, Meghalaya. Just before reaching Sohra, a route to the right leads one to the fall, which is 5 km away. There is no proper route to reach the viewpoint. It was a bit tricky to step on the rock and avoid the mud. For the best view of Tentland, one should cross the stream to the other side. There is only possible when the water level is low. There is also a old bridge over the stream which acts as a perfect background of picture. This waterfall attracts a large number of tourists in every year. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.